Here we have the ELGATO ring light. Illuminate on command. Ring light. Let's unbox it. So the ring light is Wi-Fi enabled and you can control it via an app in your mobile phone. It is up to 2500 lumens, very bright, and it is easily dimmable, and the ring light produces a full spectrum. This ring light produces a full spectrum, so your video can be lighted up and adjusted via your phone. Space saving. It's a very compact model, so it's a slim profile as it's said right here, and it's edge lit. It has an edge lit around it. Easy on the eyes, it doesn't hurt your eyes, very suitable. Desk mount, you can mount it on a desk. So this ring light supports pro studio lighting, premium LED technology, Osram LEDs, very high-tech LEDs, ultra soft and balanced skin tones, camera ready, always can be ready with the camera, fully adjustable according to your suitability, streamlined design, control on your terms. And this is the control center. There is an app, ELGATO ring light app, and if you download it, you can control the warmth, the saturation, and you can control everything within the app. It is also Wi-Fi certified and works with a Stream Deck, and you can get it on your Android phone or Apple. We have just completely unboxed the ELGATO ring light, and that is a ring light, comes with the stand. It's not a stand, it's actually called the desk mount to securely, safely mount it on any desk. Very handy item. And then in another cardboard box there are key accessories for the ring light to properly function. I'll mention all of these very soon. So get everything out. There's one more little thing just there. I have a wall socket, and this is going to be attached or magnetically attached to the power adapter. We have another wall socket, small connector to connect the desk mount to the ring light, and finally we have our star. We can call it the power adapter. Connect one of the wall sockets to the end of the power adapter so we can charge the ring light when needed. Very simple. You have to connect the small connector to the top end of the ELGATO ring light. Make sure it's connected and secure it. Yep, we have done it in the video. And then connect the desk mount to one end, the bottom end of the ring light. It's firm and ready. See, everything is connected, everything is in its place. Ring light will be shining very soon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, towards the right side of the ring light there is an increase button, and towards the left side a decrease button, and this suggests that you can increase and decrease the brightness of the light. And there is an on and off button at the bottom left side of the ring light, and there is a connector to connect anything external to the ring light. I'll show you what I mean. Make sure you loosen the desk mount before actually mounting it on the desk. And now mount it on a desk and tighten it until it's fully tightened so you can leave it to be. The ELGATO ring light mounted on the desk, how it should be. How's the look, guys? The final look. See, the ring light is desk mounted and it can be fully adjusted to suit your needs. Ha! I'm just looking through the camera. The ring light is very bright. It's literally superb. Increasing and decreasing buttons of the light really is helping to suit your needs and set it to a level that you really like it. an app that you can install in your phone, like just like that I'm installing it. It's called ELGATO Control Center, and it is to control additional features or access additional options that are not available inbuilt in the ring light. So just press OK once you install the app. Just give all confirmations. Just give it a yes. Keep on giving it a yes. And then you will be loaded into the ELGATO Center, and there'll be an option if your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is on to connect the ring light to your phone. Connect, very simple, very easy, and allow the Wi-Fi. Just keep on pressing OK, confirming what you want to do. And then you need to select your Wi-Fi, give a password. After you connect with your Wi-Fi, there'll be a page and it'll be loading so your Wi-Fi can be recognized. And yeah, your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is connected successfully, and now you can access the ELGATO Control Center and control absolutely everything from this ring light with your phone. What a cool featuring. I can turn it off and turn it on with this app. I can control warmth, saturation, brightness levels, everything to do with the ring light. If you would like to purchase this ring light, I have attached a link in my description. Just click on that link and you'll be redirected to the ELGATO website, and this ring light will be on there. Best ring light. I can't emphasize this even further. This ring light, the ELGATO ring light, is a bang for the buck. One key factor that differentiates this ring light from its competitors is that it allows the consumer to install an application on their phone, Stream Deck, or laptop to be able to control or even get access to additional features that are not already inbuilt into the ring light. I thought that is an extremely useful feature, and ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get this ring light, if you're a video creator or a gamer that is doing live streams, this ring light, the ELGATO ring light, will be the best choice for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to Chakra's World for further uploads, and till the next one, stay safe and remember to always stay happy.